What's going on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to reset your AirPods to factory settings. It's helpful if you're just trying to pair them to a new iCloud account or if you're having an issue with one of the AirPods. Whatever the reason, this is the case, this is how you do it. So just to show that they're connected to my devices, you can see they popped up on my iPad behind here. So it's pretty simple. With the case open, there's a button here in the back. You're going to hold that button down until that little light in there begins to flash. So I usually just keep holding it just to make sure we're good. It went solid. Now it's flashing orange. That means it's ready to pair. So all you have to do is close your earphones, reopen them, and as you can see, there's the animation to set them up so they are ready to be repaired. They've been completely reset and they have been erased from, all their settings have been erased, everything customized, the name, everything is fresh. So you're good to sell them or repair them. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video and want to see more how-tos, simple how-tos, leave a comment below, and please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and it helped you out. Thanks.